Hi everyone. So today I'm showing you KidBlog, and right now my screen is the dashboard. Once I have logged in, I did a free 30-day trial. There is a cost to it, but this is what you see when you log in. And I did already make a practice class, but I'm going to make another one just to show you. I go ahead and click on Create New Class, and I could just make a math class instead of ELA. So it's really simple. You put the class name in. And KidBlog is really all about teachers and kids blogging together, answering questions, sharing. You can connect to other classes, which is a really cool feature. And it also has a feature to allow the parents to see it as well. So if I go into my class that I just created, here is the background for it. They just kind of put one on there for you. And they automatically post a welcome post that you can edit or delete. So once you create your class, you can go to the settings. And this part's really important because you can, first of all, you can do the theme. Basketball, probably not what I need for math. So you can make that anything you want. And then the users, you can you can have a join code for students to join. You can enable a student code that they can just type in to join this class. You can also enable a guest code to join this class, and you can share that so people can join. Then the privacy. When people are publishing posts, they do not need any permission to send it to a teacher. You can have approval required to share with the class, which I would recommend putting on, and also approval required to share with guests. I would put that on as well. There's also categories and connections, but after that, those are the basic settings that you want to do. So if you go back to the class, you can go ahead and do a new post. Oops. So I think maybe I can only make a post in my original class. So here, I will make a new post right here. You can add a image to your post. You can add a title. And then you can just type in your blog post. And you can share it. You can do different backgrounds, different colors, all that kind of stuff. When you go to publish it, this is one of the most important parts. You either share with your classmates, you can share with just the teacher, or you can share with the connections, which would be the parents. You can also share with the public if that's what you're doing, but those are how you publish. And then your class could just have a running blog post, and it's a really good way to encourage writing and commenting and sharing kids' writings.